Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Ultimate Guide to Creating a Minimum Viable Product. Whether you have a great product idea or you are just exploring your option, you probably want to know how to take a next step without risking everything. Don't worry, you are at a right place. Today I am going to walk you through something called MVP, your product ultimate starting point. So, let's dive in. All right. MVP stand for minimum viable product. Sound fancy, right? It's basically a simplest version of your product with just enough feature to test your idea, gather feedback, and see if it's worth building a full thing. Think of it as your idea's test drive before hitting an highway. And here is the best part. Whether you are a product manager, a developer, or launching your first product, MVP works for everyone. It's all about testing fast, learning fast, and saving time and money. Who doesn't love that, right? Okay, so why bother with MVP? Let's break it down. First, it reduces risk. No one wants to pour month into something only to find out that it doesn't work, right? Second, it gets you a real feedback. Your user are a best critic. They'll tell you exactly what is working and what is not. Third, it is cost efficient. You don't need big budget to test big idea. All right, here is how it gets started. Don't worry, it is easier than it sounds. Step 1. Figure out the problem. What's the one big thing your product solve? If it's not solving anything, it's probably not worth building. Step 2. Focus on core feature. Like what's the one thing your product has to do to make a difference? Keep it simple. Step 3. Do your homework. Talk to people, research the market, and understand what your user really need. Step 4. Build it. You don't need something fancy, just enough to test your idea. Use simple tool and get it done fast. Step 5. Launch and learn. Put it out there. See how people use it. Take notes. This is where you start improving. Now, let me give you some pro tips to make sure your MVP really works. First, keep it simple. Do not try to solve every problem. Just focus on one big thing. Second, listen to feedback. Seriously, it's a gold. Your user will tell you what they want you to improve. Third, use analytics. Track what people are doing with your MVP. It is easiest way to see what is working and what is not. And that's it. Your crash course in creating an MVP, simple, focused, and designed to help you test your idea without breaking a bank. So, what's your big idea? Share it in the comment. I would love to hear what you're working on. And hey, do not forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's make your product a dream reality starting today. Thank you.